Yo guys, and welcome back to this very quick update video here on the channel. And on today's video we are going to talk about the Bitcoin price action, and of course in today's video I will be going over the current momentum that Bitcoin looks to be getting created, because analyzing the Bitcoin momentum indicators is one of the most important things you have to be doing, especially if we're running down in a very quick downtrend or if you're running up in a very big uptrend. So right now, we are in a very significant downtrend, and you want to be looking for reversal signals. And I'm currently seeing some things here on the RSI, the money flow index, and on the MACD, suggesting that we are going to see a different trend getting started on the 1 hourly candle. So if you want to be finding out about all these insane price targets, I will be as well go over the 4 hourly candles, the daily candles, which is right now showing a very strong retest. Make sure that you're right away going to smash up the like button, because the more people that are going to smash up the like button right now here, the more viral cryptocurrency content is going, and of course the more viral cryptocurrency content is going, the more people will be getting exposed to crypto as well. So make sure to smash it up, and let's dive right away in towards the video. So first of all, let me start off with discussing some trend lines on the 1 hourly candle. So Bitcoin looks to be currently forming this very critical downward slope resistance line with approximately 5 or 6 touch points, like you can see. And yeah, we have been just breaking through this level, and like I already tweeted about this is of course an important level for Bitcoin to break here, because since breaking of this level, and together with the current ongoing momentum divergence, I'm getting pretty bullish on the market, because like you can see over here, we were forming this lower low here on the price action, while the RSI was still forming a very clear higher low. So we were forming, of course, a beautiful uptrend from there on. And we were forming a beautiful bullish divergence from there on, and that is as well the reason why we are right now seeing this move and this push towards the upside getting generated. But in order to call really a trend reversal, I want to be looking at more momentum indicators, because right now clearly you can see we are still forming these lower high trajectory together with the lower low trajectory. But of course I am seeing right now the indicators flashing me that we are about to shift this trend towards an uptrend, and the reason why here is because if we're as well going to look at the MACD, we are seeing something very interesting, because you can see the histogram and the trend lines here, and the moving averages right now forming a higher low here. So we are forming as well more momentum towards the upside, while the price action, like you can see over here, is still decreasing. So we're seeing the price action decreasing, but in the background on the momentum indicators, we're seeing that the sellers are running out of strength. We are running out of steam, and that is going to be resulting in Bitcoin creating an uptrend in the end of the day. So as well, what you can see currently, if you're looking to the money flow index, you can see several divergences getting created. You can clearly see over here, we have been forming a higher low here on the money flow index as well, suggesting that there are not enough sellers anymore to push this price lower. And of course, this is on the 1 hourly candles, and what I do personally expect here, because all these 3 different momentum indicators are right now flashing a trend reversal towards the upside, I am personally anticipating that Bitcoin is going to create a minor trend towards the upside. I'm not necessarily saying that we're going to see huge increases towards higher levels. We could be maybe potentially, of course, head towards maybe this potential neckline that we were creating over here, and see a rejection from that point, and then start to move up with 3 or 4 weeks, and then we could be maybe see another leg down getting created. But from now on, I should be for sure be on the imminent short term a little bit more bullish, after seeing these different momentum indicators right now flashing us that we are seeing a potential trend reversal signal. So let me then right away as well go in towards the 4 hourly candles, because if I'm looking to the 4 hourly candles, I'm seeing once again something very interesting, because if I'm looking to the 4 hourly candles, you can see right now on Bitcoin, we have been forming a downward sloping support line, like you can see over here, and we have been forming a downward sloping resistance line. And this resistance line, you can be approached like this, that we already broke through it, because if you're going to connect the bodies, you can clearly see we are right now breaking out of this. And how does this pattern on the 4 hourly candle looks here? It looks to be, of course, maybe we are still trading within it, but of course, I will be still approaching like we have not been breaking out, but for sure, I'm anticipating the 1 hourly candles to move up here. So for sure, not necessarily anticipating a major correction from off this point, and maybe we're going to break out on the next 4 hourly candle. So what does this pattern look like? It looks like a descending broadening wedge here, and if you don't know what descending broadening wedges are, these are as well typical reversal patterns after a leg down. You tend to create these, and of course, in the end of the day, these tend to, of course, as well break towards the upside. It's a very high likelihood that, of course, descending broadening wedges are going to break towards the upside. Let's say it's an approximately 70% chance that this is going to break towards the upside. And of course, the price target is not necessarily so interesting. Of course, we're just going to reach the top side over here. of the wedge getting started, and of course that's going determine on the the point of the breakout. It's going to be an approximately, let's say, 5% move towards the upside, bringing Bitcoin back towards the 44.3k approximately. So, and that's of course as well going to be a major retest, because there's going to be a lot of resistance around this level here, because previous support is going to be for sure flipping into resistance right now, like you can see on this chart. So for hourly candles as well, looking pretty solid on this time of recording right now, in my opinion. Together with the 1 hourly candles, I should start to get, of course, a little bit excited about the market. Then before moving into the daily candles, what is very important to discuss real quickly, going to say this to you guys out there, you have to know, what do you think right now the institutions are doing? What do you think the smart money is doing? Well, everyone and all the retailers are right now selling, they are buying. The smart money, the institutions, they are buying right now. In my opinion, of course, no financial advice there, but always once there is a lot of fear in the market, this has been, generally speaking, a very good accumulation zone. And of course, right now, there's once again extreme amounts of fear in the market, and these opportunities are not here every single day. So make sure that you're going to keep your eyes out on it. And of course, a lot of retailers are right now anticipating a bear market, but personally, the top of the bull market will be happening once all the investors are there. And right now, no, we are not, they're not. And I think once too many people are saying, okay, we are going to be topping out here on the 64k, I don't think it already happened. I personally think there's going to be way more steam in this bull market. But then let me as well talk about this bullish retest, because you can see here, if we're looking to some daily levels of resistance, right? So you can see over here, this level here on January 2021 provided major amounts of resistance. This was, of course, on the 8th of January. Then, of course, if we're fast forwarding towards the May 2021, you can see rejected by this level. After that, we retested another time, rejected by this level. And what are we seeing right now? We are seeing a beautiful retest of this level. So is this bullish or bearish? You let me know in the comment section right now here. But personally, after breaking through of this major level of resistance, going for a retest of it, I generally think it is a bullish thing to how you should be approaching the market. And I mean, yeah, we have been seeing this significant correction. It's an approximately 24% correction. And are these corrections healthy in the market that we're currently in? I personally, once again, think yes, because in January, we got an 30% correction approximately. Here in February, we got an 26% correction. Here, of course, in April, we got an 27% correction. And what are we getting right now? We are getting, like I told you just a moment ago, a 25% correction. So are we close to the bottom? Yes, I do think. Is it potentially a possibility that we're going to decrease towards the 38k? For sure possible. But we can, of course, I mean, I personally will be saying that we are at least close to a bottom, and everyone who's going to be panic selling right now will be panic buying as soon as we're breaking this local high, and that will be adding towards this the buy pressure towards the upside. And I mean, personally, I'm right now building up a huge long position. I have been, of course, announcing it here on my Twitter page several times. So make sure to follow me on Twitter right now here. Second highest link in the description. And of course, make sure to sign in with BYBIT if you're going to be willing to join me with this leverage swing trade I'm taking to the upside. I'm extremely bullish because everyone is in huge amounts of fear. The more people that are going to say we're a bear market, the more bullish I will become, because this is, of course, exactly like we predicted. So guys, thank you so much for watching once again to this amazing new update video. I will be catching you guys later today with another update video or even a live stream here on this channel. So don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell notification if you don't want to be missing out on any of these update videos that we are bringing out to you guys. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.